Google Fonts is a great resource for finding fonts that you can use in your projects. If you go into Google Fonts, you can then search for a particular font if you know what it's called, or you can go into categories and find, for example, a handwriting font. So you can put in any text that you want, lowercase and uppercase, so you can see how it will look. Then when you find one you like the look of, you can click on it, have a scroll down, find out a little bit more about the font. It says here that these are licensed under the Open Font License, which means that you can use them freely in your own products and projects. And then it tells you which fonts these go really nicely with. For example, this one goes nicely with Roboto, Open Sans, and Montserrat, and Railway, for example. So you can see here how it would look. And then if you decide that you want to use this font, you click on Download Family. I'm going to save it as item onto my desktop, and it will download it as a zip file. So then you double click on the zip file. You can then get rid of the zip, and then double click on the folder, and you'll see here that you've got a TTF file. That's the font file. You double click on that, and it will show you what it looks like and ask if you want to install it. I'm going to click on Install Font, and there it is. So now when you open up any applications on your iMac and look in your fonts, you'll find the font that you've just installed is available to use. If it's not on the list and you had Pages open when you installed the font, for example, you might want to close down Pages and reopen it, and it should be there.